No local representative needed for RF certification in Philippines, but you need to know how to apply certification effectively. Philippines is growing telecommunication market in Southeast Asia. The demand for telecommunication devices is continue to rise. To legally sell telecommunication devices there, you need RF certification in Philippines. This process is commonly known as NTC certification. RF certification in Philippines exists for one reason: to ensure that every devices is safe, compatible, and not interfere with other devices. The authority responsible for this is the National Telecommunication Commission, also known as NTC. They issue official compliance certificate known as NTC certificate. RF certification in Philippines is divided into three classifications. The first is radio communication equipment or RCE. This cover device with radio frequencies. The examples are Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, wireless charging, and other short-range devices. The second is customer premises equipment or CPE. This covers devices used to access public telecom networks such as GPON devices, analog telephones, and fax machines. The third is Grant Equipment Conformity or GEC. This covers devices that combine both RCE and CPE functions. The example are smartphones, 4G and 5G devices, and wireless access point. The Philippines stands out from the other country in the region. Foreign company is allowed to hold the certificate directly. It means that foreign manufacturers with a local representative can still apply for the certification. If the manufacturers and applicant is different companies, power attorney is required. The NTC certificate will list both parties. The RF certification process in Philippines is paperwork. The test report must be conducted at an ISO or IEC 17025 accredited laboratory in accordance with CE or FCC standards for RF EMC and safety testing. Required documents include application form, letter of authorization, declaration of product specification, manufacturer's declaration of conformity, RF test report, EMC test report, and safety test report. All documents must be submitted directly to NTC office because no online submission is available. There are two payments that you need to make NTC certification. The first is evaluation fee, and the second is the issuance certificate fee. Finally, your NTC certificate is ready. The lead time for RF certification in Philippines is approximately 20 to 25 working days after all documents are received. Compared with other Southeast Asian countries, the Philippines have longer lead time. This is because in the Philippines, there is no online submission system. The good news is NTC certificate is valid indefinitely as long as there is no change to RF specification. Minor modifications such as change to the applicant's name, address, or model name are permitted without requiring fully recertification. After certification, your product must display official NTC compliance label. This label consists three of components: the Letter Equipment Standard Division, or shortened as ESD, the NTC Product Classification Scheme, RCE, CPE, or GEC, and a 7-digit certification number. Before selling, you must affix the label on the product, packaging, and the user manual. Things to note that the NTC allow the e-labeling, but the physical label is still required. No online submission, physical document delivery, and the regulation that keep evolving, RF certification in Philippines requires careful attention. 18 years of experience, hundreds of clients, and thousands of certified products, Dimulti knows exactly what it takes your product into the Philippines market. If you want to know everything about RF certification in the world, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.